One of the best things in life is to give. And when I say that, I refer God has blessed us with many things in life: health, family, material things, and others. And why not to share a little bit of what we have? The Mother Teresa of Calcutta said, "The fruit of love is service, and the fruit of service is peace." Service borns from our commitment to the environment in which we develop, as well as an active and critical role with the reality that surrounds you. In conclusion, the most important part of service is daily people can make the difference in the places when they are, and can show an attitude of service in big or small acts, because not always we can do big things, but we can do small things with love. Thank you.